So I did some mini twists, and these are the looks that I have been rocking the last 2 weeks. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Bertha. If you have been here before, thanks for stopping by. If you are new, shout out to you. So today I'm going to be talking about how to unravel 2 weeks mini twists. So you're going to begin by spraying a little amount of water so as to make them damn wet. Then I'm going to put them on a bun. So from here I'm going to be picking one by one as I go through. I'm going to be using my fingers to unravel the mini twists. After unraveling, I'm going to detangle the mini twists using my fingers. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Please hit that subscribe button so that you'll be notified once I upload a new video. Make sure to like, comment and share. I prefer mini twists to mini braids because mini twists are easier to install and to take down, and also mini twists tend to trap in the moisture, so it keeps the hair more moisturized. But my next video I'm going to try to do mini braids, so please stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe, and I hope that the mini braids will last me more days than how the mini twists have. That's why I'm going to try them out. Also mention in the comment section below which one do you prefer, mini twists or. Thanks for stopping by. I hope you enjoyed the video.